Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to find the location of a mobile phone number, or sorry, mobile number in Google Maps. So basically, if you allowed contacts on Google Maps by going to your settings and start looking for the Google Maps right here. Let me just try to look it up. And here you're going to be able to see the contacts is toggled on. That means, or enabled. That means that any contact can reach my location, or I can share my location to any of my contacts. So if I try to look, like the standard way of try to find a phone number, right? If I typed a name, right, you'll be able to see that you won't be able to see your mobile phone number or whatever, or their contact information. And if you try to look for a phone number right here, you'll be able to see that it is not available. So this feature is actually not available on Google Maps yet, but we will let you know in the future if there is a new update coming. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.